In front of me is Cubot King Kong Mini 2, and let me show you how to activate developer mode on this phone. So at first, open the settings, then scroll down and click on About Phone. Now locate build number and tap on it 7 times. And as you can see, from now on you are a developer. So let's go back, and now under System you will be able to find developer options. Click to open, and now you can smoothly use all of them. So just scroll, pick the one that you would like to apply, and that's it. Then you can switch it off the same way. Whenever you would like to deactivate developer options, just use this first icon. And that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.